Fix File Explorer keeps resetting sort order in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Reboot your PC to save the changes. Open Windows File Explorer again. Try to save your preferences once more. Check if Windows remembers your preferences this time. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, open NOTEPAD. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process.